Hi, everybody. I feel like it's been a little bit since I filmed. So I wanted to make a quick video just to show you a little bit of my new setup here. I don't really have an organized plan for this video, so hopefully I don't ramble on too much. But if you're new here, thanks for checking me out. And if you've seen my videos before, thanks for coming back. All right, so I got a new desk. My old one was humongous and not in a good way. It had like a million little cubby holes that I don't even know what I would keep in there. And it just took up a huge area. So I got a new desk. I spent like 2 hours on Amazon looking at desks one day, and I just pulled the trigger and I ordered one. I got this nice desk mat here. Um, Thinking that maybe I would film videos from the top down, and maybe I still will. I don't know. I guess we'll see. If you've seen, some of my prior videos, I have been kind of looking for a good setup for a while now. That's why things keep changing because, I want to make these videos nice to look at aesthetically. So, I just feel like every other setup I've had, things weren't working as well as I'd like. So we'll see how this works. Again, I may do from the top down, I may not. I did also order a nice, like, I don't even know what to call it, mesh or wire, like, photo hanging thing for the background here. And I was going to wait to film this until I got that, but that won't be here till tomorrow. And then who knows how long it'll take my husband to hang it up. So we'll see. And sorry for that camera shakiness. The camera is literally like right here. So that's another reason why this angle might not work out, because I may bump it. And if you hear squeakiness like this, that's my chair. So nothing I could really do about that. So sorry if you hear that noise. But yeah, let's get on with it. So basically, I just wanted to show, like I said, a little bit of my new setup. So I'm going to stop saying that I'm going to not spend money on new things, because I have. But I got this binder, and I think it was literally like $9 or something. So it wasn't bad. I did use, my Amazon budget for it. It's like a kind of rainbow holographic. It's really pretty. And I put some vinyl on it, and I did post a video on, me putting the vinyl there. So you can go ahead and watch that if you'd like. I'll link it up in the cards. But it came with these envelopes, I think 12 of them. And these are like the first kind of real envelopes I've ever had. So I was excited about that. So I did go ahead and label these envelopes. Again, my video for that showing that was posted, so you can go check that out. But yeah, I'm excited to kind of have like a real binder. And just it's just much more organized. So yeah, I wanted to show that. Okay, so a week or two ago, I went ahead and created some trackers. Not savings challenges necessarily, at least not all of them, but just trackers to track like how much were in my sinking funds, as I saw on some other channels. So this is one of them. This is for Amazon Prime. And the reason that it's only $18 is I figured out that I need to stuff $18 this many times to get my Amazon Prime subscription cost, which renews, I think, early March. So if I do $18 each time, I'll have enough for the subscription. I do maybe eventually want to add just a subscriptions envelope, because I do have a bunch, but this is the most expensive one, and I don't know how much extra money I'll have to stuff into this, as well as a subscription envelope. So maybe after I pay for this, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so that's Amazon Prime. I did make a sewing one because I created this tracker. So each little sewing machine and each thread spool is 20 bucks. Once I save all of these, I'll have 400. Again, no plan for this money, but I do purchase a lot of fabric and stuff like that, a lot of sewing patterns, so this money will go towards that. And I just love like the idea of tracking this kind of stuff. So I never have tracked the money in my sinking funds this way before. Again, I'm new. I just started this whole process in September. And I did see a few people tracking some sinking funds like this, and I like the idea of it. In my opinion, it does make tracking a little bit more fun, but it also, lets you see your progress. So that's why I decided to create some of these on my own. I created them all in Canva. I'm by no means an expert in Canva, so, they're definitely not perfect, but they work for me. I also posted a video of me like basically laminating these trackers, as well as some new cash envelopes and some new savings challenge envelopes as well. And I will link that video up here if you want to check that out. Okay, so vacation. Another one, I created a tracker because I have a vacation booked for next summer. I need to start putting away as much money as I can for that. I owe way more than 200, but this is just a start, for me to start tracking. So once I finish this one, I can just print this out again, or since it's laminated, just erase it and then start this one over. I'm going to try to do this challenge as many times as I can until I go on my vacation. Beauty and massage, another little tracker here. Each little brush and lipstick is $10, and when I fill this up, I'll have 380. I do have a massage booked in December, so I need to have at least 80 bucks for that. But I think I also want to do a manicure as well when I go, so I'm going to need at least 100, definitely, probably more. So yeah, I want to start stuffing this as well. And then Christmas. So I do have a Christmas envelope in here, but I wanted to make a tracker. Now, this tracker, though, I'm not going to use until next year. So this is, I think I did 10 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so 10 months. So basically every single paycheck, I would need to stuff $50. And then by the end of October, I'll have $1,000 to use for Christmas. I want to have that money by November for Black Friday and all of that. The amount here is wrong because I originally had different amounts for these, so disregard that. But that's why I'm not going to use this tracker until next year. I did purchase another Christmas tracker for this year that I will show you in a little bit. Black Friday, this is another one I'm not going to start until next year because it's too late now. We only have a couple of weeks till Black Friday. But basically each little shopping bag here is 20 bucks, and then at the end I'll have 500. Okay, then I made some envelopes for my savings challenges. This is a 1K savings challenge. This one I created myself. I think on my iPad. I can show you it maybe in the next video. It's just, I literally just put circles all over the page, set an amount, and then they all add up to 1K. So I wanted to have an envelope for that. The Let's Save 450. This is one from this Easy Cash Budget Savings Planner book by Celisa from Beautifully Me and You. This is one that I started off camera. I haven't filmed myself doing this one yet, but I wanted to start it because I really like that the amounts are so small. There's nothing larger than $9 on here. So I think it's definitely an easy one to do when you have extra money or something like that. And I think it will be pretty easy to finish. And my husband gave me a few extra dollars here and there, so I just, started this one on my own. So that's that one. 50 envelope challenge, another one I made myself on my iPad. So you see everybody doing the 100 envelope challenge. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I did just, I made 50 rectangles. I thought 100 was a little bit too ambitious for me right now. So I want to start with 50. And I don't see the need to stuff the dollar amount into each of their own envelopes, like, $20 into an envelope labeled 20. I think that you can just, put them in one. So that's what I did here. And again, I can show you that one that I created on my iPad, maybe in the next video. Then I have one extra envelope here that's unused, so I'll figure out what to do with that eventually. And then I purchased some new savings challenges. So let me show you here. So I have been watching a lot of other channels lately. And through some channels, I have been discovering additional channels that people have been giving shout outs to and all of that. So I purchased this on Etsy from Hands and Bands. And this is going to be the Christmas challenge that I use starting now for this year. It's $500. I probably will not complete the entire thing, but we'll see. I'm going to get as much done as I can. Each of these ornaments here and on the tree are $10. Each row of the tree is $10. Presents, stockings, and candy canes and the star are $25. And I just feel like this is a little bit kind of easier than the one I created, because each thing on the one I created is just a plain 50. So this way, if I have an extra 10 or something, I'll still be able to color something in here. I don't know, I may go back and change the one I made. I may not. We'll see. But anyway, this is what I'm going to be doing for this year. So that's that. Then I discovered this channel, Two Sister Bees, and they have like the most fun savings challenges and so unique too. So I ordered a few. This is the first one. This is the trick or treat game. Now, I know that it's going to be Halloween soon, so this is probably, I will still be doing this in November, I'm sure. But I wanted to do it anyway because it's so cute, and I've never done a game style like this before. I do have to find a dice, so we'll see. But yeah, basically you just play it like a board game. So you roll the dice, whatever you land on, that's the amount you save. So really fun. And then that came with an envelope, and here it is. Now, the envelopes that their stuff comes with are like bank style envelopes, so you put the money in from the top. But I just basically, like, here's the back. So you see this is the cut line right here and here. I just cut it straight up to be even with the front, folded it in half, and laminated it. And me making these is on, it is shown in the other video where I also laminate like these trackers and stuff. So again, check that out if you want. The next one I purchased from them was this jackpot savings. I thought this looked really fun. You set your amounts up here, you roll the dice, and then you save that amount for whatever you roll. So again, that came with an envelope, and here's that one. There's the back. So very cute. I also purchased one or two scratch offs from them. I've never done a scratch off before. I don't love the idea of like not knowing when I'm going to save, because I plan out every dollar because I don't have much to save. But I want to try it. I think it'll be fun. And I picked low amounts, so yeah, we'll see. So those should be coming actually today. I also ordered a savings challenge book from Budget with Ira, another channel I recently discovered. And that actually came with the dice. So I just ordered that though, like yesterday, so that'll be a little bit before that's here. So we'll see. I need to find a dice to do this trick or treat game, but then I'll have my dice from that savings book that I ordered. Okay, the next tracker that I have is this one. Now this was a freebie on D versus debt. She linked this, and I liked it. So I printed it out, and it's a $1,000 emergency fund, and then you just get to color in as you go. So again, just a really nice way to visualize your progress, makes it a little bit more fun. And yeah, this one is free. So go check out her channel. She, I believe, always does a freebie Friday where she posts different links to different free things. So go check that out. And last but not least, I also revamped my cash envelopes a little bit because, as I had said in a prior video, they were just paper and I didn't think they were going to really last. So I wanted to laminate them. I put some labels on them because I cut the top off. They were envelopes that they had a flap that you close. But I just cut that off. I put some quick, easy labels on them, laminate them, punch some holes, and that's that. So now they'll be more durable. They're not the prettiest. I don't really love how they turned out, but who cares? They work. So yeah. So that's it. Again, just a quick video to show, some of my new setup here. You will hopefully see all, or at least most of these trackers and the new savings challenges in my next video, which will be coming later this week. I get paid this Thursday, so I'll be able to shoot the video Friday when I get the cash out of the bank. And yeah, that's it. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and as always, thank you for watching.